When you are in the middle of the dashboard page, you can click on Infinity Hash on the left side. Now you will see the Infinity Hash overview page. Scroll down a bit until you reach the Buy Shares button. Please press this button and you will be taken to the purchase options. You now have the possibility to buy a certain amount of shares. Alternatively, you can click on USD and enter a certain amount of money. The maximum number of shares will then be purchased for this amount. In the payment window, you can now select the payment method. Here is basically your dashboard credit available in different service providers. We will expand this in the future so that everyone has the opportunity to choose the appropriate payment method. When you press confirm, you will be redirected to the payment process. After you have successfully completed this, your shares will be credited automatically.